Hi everyone and welcome to this video. We are going to look at three major AI news items. I do hope you will subscribe to the channel as well as connect with me over LinkedIn. The first news item is on the usage of AI, a study which was commissioned by Microsoft with IDC. And they looked at 200 used cases and they have found something extremely important. The study is named The Business Opportunity of AI, in case you want to look it up. So they found out something extremely important. The first is that the generative AI usage has jumped from 55% in 2023 to 75% in 2024. Secondly, for every $1 a company invests in generative AI, the ROI is actually 3.7x. Yes, it's extremely lucrative. Now, I do hope you will comment on how your organization and you are personally using generative AI. And let's look at some of the other findings over here. The top leaders using generative AI are realizing an ROI of 10x. Also, on an average, AI deployment time has really reduced. So if you want to show some actionable outcomes within a year, you can, because the AI implementations are taking less than 8 months, and organizations are realizing value within 13 months, so barely over a year. Within 24 months, most organizations plan to expand beyond pre-built AI solutions. So they are looking at custom-built AI solutions, right? So something very important for technology companies. And the best part is 43% of the organizations say productivity used cases have provided the highest ROI. So if you look at the last two items, the top barrier when implementing AI is lack of both technical and day-to-day AI skills. And the fact that 43% say productivity use cases have provided greatest ROI, we can clearly see that training the employees is going to be critical for this success in the ROI of AI. Now, the next very big news that I'd like to tell you about. This is related to Google, and there have been some great updates in Google. The first part which I'd like to bring to your notice is the fact that Google Maps has got its biggest AI update ever. It's been there for nearly 20 years, and now Google Maps has become more helpful. You can ask complex queries like things to do with friends. Gemini is integrated, so it will give you an idea. It will help take the stress out of driving. They have added features to help you in every step of your drive, like the ability to explore along your route before you head out, right? So many new things in Google Maps, and we really hope you are going to try them out. The next big thing Google has rolled out is the Google Shopping, where you have AI to help you pick the right product for you. Now, this means that AI can take the guesswork out of the right products. So when you're researching a product, AI generated brief will give you details about the most important things to know. It will also give you suggestions if it will fit your needs, etc. Also about pricing, that where the product can be found at the lowest pricing. The third part is that Google Search got a major AI update, expanding the type of questions that you can ask Search. So you can ask Search questions through a query, searching with a camera, or even humming a tune. Yes, in many ways. So, for example, if you've gone to an aquarium and you see some fish, um, they are together, you take a photograph, upload it into Google app, and check why are they swimming together. Google will find out the answer and give you. So you can find on real time things which are affecting your life and why are they doing so. Again, a small request to subscribe to our channel. This is one last piece of news which I found extremely interesting. How Nobel Prize has been awarded to two pioneers from Google DeepMind. right? Now, if you're trying to wonder what exactly happened, these two, co-founder and CEO of Google DeepMind and the director, they were awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry because they have developed something called AlphaFold. It's a groundbreaking AI system that predicts the 3D structure of proteins from the amino acid sequences. Now, before AlphaFold, predicting structure of a protein was a complex and time-consuming process, and this has really made it very easy to figure out the structure of proteins, especially proteins, chemical warfare, etc., is going to be so important. People get reacting to different kinds of substances. I'm sure this is going to help a lot of people in their recovery, easy diagnosis and recovery. So with this, I'm going to be concluding this session. I hope to interact with you really very soon.